Hello and welcome to this complete guide on Excel for beginners. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used to handle and manipulate data. This beginner-friendly course will introduce you to the important concepts and components of Excel. Depending on your job or the kind of work you do, you may only need some of the features that Excel offers. For example, you might only need to use charts, pivot tables or macros. Once you have completed this course, you will understand the essential parts of Excel that work for you and then go deeper into the areas of your interest. In this course, you will learn to create and format cells, to enter and edit data, to use formulas and functions, to create charts and pivot tables, to automate tasks with macros and much more. This course is for anyone who wants to learn the basics of Excel. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or just someone who wants to learn how to use Excel, this course is for you. To follow along with this course, you will need a computer with Excel installed. You will also need a basic understanding of computers and how to use a mouse and a keyboard, that's all. This course is divided into several modules. Each module covers a different topic related to Excel. The modules are designed to be self-paced, so you can learn at your own pace. When you enroll for this course, you will get access to all of the course modules, access to the course forum where you can ask questions and get help from the instructor, and a certificate of completion. Enroll in this course today and start learning the basics of Excel. Now let us briefly talk about Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS and iPadOS. It features calculation or computation capabilities, graphing tools, pivot tables and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Excel forms part of the Microsoft 365 suite of software. Now here are some things that you can do with Excel. You can enter and manage data into spreadsheets to track your expenses, sales or anything else you need to keep track of. You can use Excel to calculate ROI, create budgets and forecast sales and similar financial analysis. Excel has a bunch of built-in tools for creating charts and graphs, so you can visualize your data and make it easier to understand. You can use Excel's Visual Basic for Applications or VBA to automate tasks and create custom functions. You can manage your time by creating to-do lists, track your progress, and set deadlines. You can use Excel to create project plans, track your progress, and assign tasks to team members, and hence managing your tasks. You can also use Excel to create financial models to forecast future performance or make investment decisions. Managing your customer relationships by tracking customer data, creating reports and sending out emails can also be done with the help of Excel. Excel is used by businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large corporations. It is also used by individuals for personal and educational purposes. Excel is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. If you're looking for a way to organize, manage and analyze data, then Excel is a great option. Now let us look at some of the reasons for why we say Excel is so important. It is a versatile tool. Excel can be used for a variety of tasks including data entry and management, financial analysis, charting and graphing, data visualization, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling and customer relationship management. It is easy to use. Excel has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to learn and use. Even if you are not a data analyst or a programmer, you can still use Excel to perform basic tasks. It is powerful. Excel has a wide range of features that allow you to do complex calculations, analyze data, and create powerful reports. It is accessible. Excel is available on most operating systems including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and iPadOS. This means that you can use Excel on any device regardless of what operating system you are using. In short, Excel is an important tool because it is versatile, easy to use, powerful, and accessible. Excel uses a variety of file extensions to identify the type of file and the version of Excel that was used to create the file. Here are some of the most common Excel file extensions. .xlsx. This is the default file extension for Excel workbooks created in Excel 2007 or later. It is an XML-based file format that is more efficient than the older binary file format. .xlsm. This file extension is used for Excel workbooks that contain macros. Macros are small programs that can be used to automate tasks in Excel. .xlsb. This file extension is used for Excel workbooks that are stored in a binary format. This format is not as compatible with other versions of Excel. .xltx. This file extension is used for Excel templates created in Excel 2007 or later. Templates are workbooks that can be used to create new workbooks. .xltm. This extension is used for Excel templates that contain macros.